Hello, my name is Patrick Noel from DIY Solution, and today I'm going to be showing you how to perform reference settings for a Test Pro Fiber Complete test on a T-Bird 4000. So once you are on the home page of the T-Bird 4000, you select the Test Pro icon, and when you get into it, right now I have my own unit and I have another unit that is at the remote end, but they are not currently connected. So all I have to do is I go and use the reference button here. And then this is the existing reference that is currently on the unit. If I want to change it, I have a little plus sign here that I just need to select. Now, what it's doing, it's going to ask me if I want to do loopback or side-by-side. The loopback reference has been the topic of another video. So today I'm going to be doing the side-by-side testing or the referencing. Now, what it asks me to do is to take the patch cord and then to connect it to the power meter port on my unit. So if you look at the T-Bird 4000, on the top of the unit, you have a little power meter port on it, and you have the OTDR port. So of course you use the inspect before you connect for cleaning and inspecting the fiber before connecting to the OTDR. And then the other end of the patch cord or the launch cord that I'm using, I just connect it into the power meter port on the OTDR. So now, once all that is done, I just do OK, and then it's going to do the referencing for my unit, my local unit, and it's taking the insertion loss for all of the different wavelengths, and it's going to do the referencing for all of them. Now, once that is completed, the unit is going to ask me for the ORL referencing. So to do the ORL referencing, you can use a mandrel or you can use a non-reflective termination. Those non-reflective termination has been provided with the unit. It comes into a little VLV plastic box like this. And then you have multiple different types of terminations. So you have the UPC and APC for SC and for LC. So depending on what kind of connector you have at the end of your patch cord or launch cable, you just select the right terminator. In my case here, I have SC UPC connection on my patch cord, my launch cable. So all I have to do is I connect that to the end of my patch cord. And then once that is completed, I just say OK for that referencing. So now, once the unit has done the referencing for the 0ORL, it asks me to connect the jumper from the first to the second module. So what I have to do is I have to connect both of my Fiber Complete OTDRs together, and then to do that, once it's done, all I have to do is perform the test. You heard the beep, so the both units are seeing each other, and all I have to do is do OK, and now you see that there's a communication between the two units. So one unit is the source, the other one is the power meter, and then they reverse, they go in the other direction, and then now the test has been completed. I had two 20-meter patch cord launch cable for each of the units, so that at the end of the day I have a reference 40 meters of patch cords, and then both units now have that information between them for the reference of each other so that they can perform the Fiber Complete test, automated test. How to do the Fiber Complete Test Pro completely automated test will be the topic of the next video. So hopefully that was helpful for you, and see you in the next video.